Good morning, 10:08 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Thursday, September 12th, 2024. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So what a beautiful morning as we front ran the entire market. We front ran the XRP Bitcoin pairing short squeeze. I was in, I am out, watching for consolidation now with the XRP Bitcoin pairing. We front ran that and it came up. It has not fulfilled the first target or the overall target of 1142, but I have a strong suspicion that we may possibly need to hold somewhere around, let's get to the top of this pattern, 964. So I'm looking for a retracement down in that area. I sold at 1015 and it was about a $400 trade in just about a day and a half. So I'm very, very pleased about that. But we've got so much to talk about. If you've been paying attention, you should have made a spectacular amount of money this morning. Not only that, we have to talk about a copy trade that we took for XRP. I did it in the 5X variety because the differential on HOTCOIN, because I have 34 people copying me, I start down about a couple percent, but we deal with what we have to deal with. And on the copy trade, had you have been copy trading right now, we have the 100. Oh, and this isn't it. We've still got more to talk about, more good stuff this morning. But if you're doing our $100 to $1,000 challenge, good news, I've been promoted. I was a junior trader. That's how you start out. And because of how good we're doing, I was able to put in my application and we were upgraded to intermediate trader, which is phenomenal. We start at junior and now we got up to intermediate, and hopefully in the future, I'll be able to upgrade. I need to get up to 65% and 100% total on all users and all that good stuff. So we're up to intermediate. Our last trade, if you're watching, we're up $267.88 overall. So our $100 challenge, we're up to $367.88. And our last order, we did a 5X trade on XRP. It was 22.48%. Our followers made $1,167. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. So thank you, everybody. 25 people did follow that trade. There's 34 people following and only 25 people are in the trade. That means there's people with no money in here. So we will remove the $0, because we're trying to make sure. Sorry, Kryptonian, I didn't know that was you. Otherwise, I wouldn't have removed it. Even though you had $0, I would not have removed it because of who it was. I just try to keep this open so everybody who wants to follow can follow. So make sure you're doing that. Like it showed, over $1,100 in our community made today through the copy trading from the followers alone. That's absolutely spectacular. And then the big meat, boys and girls. Remember the B2 Gold? Remember First Majestic Silver, the buy alert, just 2.5 days ago. And I am very open about this because I make a lot of money in commodities very quickly. So First Majestic, we bought back in at $4.71 2 days ago on that big dump. It's up to $5.57 48 hours later. That's up 18.1%, and my $2,222 is up $403 right now. And then for B2 Gold, showed even again yesterday, we bought back at $2.68. It's up to $3.02 in 48 hours, up 12.6%. My $8,222 is up over $1,000. And you've seen us just do this 3 weeks ago, the exact same way with B2 Gold. Had a sell signal at 283, buy signal at 282. Mine was at 268. And that's where we sit. First Majestic was up 8%, 9% yesterday, up another 8% today. We're absolutely ripping it. I talked about how gold, silver, commodities were going to go up as we got closer to the rate cut. Same thing with crypto, for XRP in particular. And look what's happening. If you can just follow the market and you understand and aren't afraid to get in and out when you need to, you can make a lot of money. I get criticized on a daily basis here, but I do this day after day. No, not every day can I make a trade, but when the time happens, everybody sees universally how quickly this goes. And yeah, I always preface it by saying it can go down, but this is the move I'm making, and I show you my exact dollars invested. I even showed as well in the last couple days my investment day after day on XRP Bitcoin pairing from 934 at 928 at 924 sat level. And then today I was able to sell it at 1015. That's not the ultimate move, but I was anticipating some kind of back test here on the XRP Bitcoin pairing. So that is why I sold out after it made that initial move. And I'm anticipating some kind of back test here around 964. Might it come down there? Maybe not. Maybe it doesn't come all the way down there, because we have a reversal candle, but it looks like a bearish candle still, even though it was trying to fake us out. So I do things in a very suave way. I'm very conservative with our futures trading on our account. It's been 7 days since I opened up a trade, and we made 22% on the trade I opened up. And it was only a 2.86% risk, or $2.86 for us. So I went to bed, slept comfortably, and when I woke up this morning and did the update, we talked about it, and we said, uh-oh, we're looking great this morning. And now look, we broke out over the 2018 resistance. Pretty damn big. That's a pretty damn big move. And now we have to consolidate. We understand that, because now we're going to have to see where the support structure is. Now, are we going to come all the way back down to 53.4 possibly? But there is now a new level here that everybody needs to be aware of. And I did an update here this morning just because I wanted to update everybody on the ebb and flows. It's that simple. I wanted to update everybody on what's going on. We have a support structure here right around 56.5 cents. We'll come down a little bit because this was where the actual breakout occurred on this little consolidation. And if we want to back test, it's either we go over 57.9 and held, which we didn't. Now we have an area at 56.4. And then if we look at our other charts, we filled out the technical move to 58.6. So we filled out every single technical area. And now it's, are we going to have the continuation we all want? We all want this continuation. And even on this chart, you can see it. 56.4 cents. So that 56.4 cents is big right now. 56.4 cents is big. So we're going to pay attention to this as we go. And it had nothing to do with Bitcoin, this move. Remember, I said we were going to have a short squeeze against Bitcoin. I got ridiculed the last few days, which I like it. Because when people are calling me crazy, that's when I know I'm on the right track. So, like I said yesterday in the live, XRP, be ready for unexpected breakout. XRP Bitcoin pair squeeze. Then we talked about the day before. XRP holders actually on the verge of huge squeeze versus Bitcoin. Breaks above 2018 resistance. B2 Gold and First Majestic buy alert. That was prior to First Majestic running 16% and B2 Gold running almost 13%. XRP opportunity emerges 2 days ago for XRP Bitcoin pairing. XRP squeeze sets up first Bitcoin. I mean, I telegraphed this for everybody, and we did. We had a squeeze against Bitcoin this morning. Now, is it as much? Some people will be like, oh, it was only a 10% or 15% squeeze. That's the point of a squeeze. You're moving in a fashion against Bitcoin. But I'm not crazy enough to just hold everything yet. Like, I seen what I wanted, I capitalized, and I move on. Now, the Bitcoin, or the B2 Gold and First Majestic, that's a different story. Gold, Julie, gold's up 50 bucks an ounce today to 2,543 or 2%. Silver's up 4.8% today, up to $29.27. And gold right now is breaking out. Our next target is 2,616, folks. We've broken out of this resistance. As we said just 2 days ago, if you don't buy it here with the precious metals, or I mean the commodities, then what? Silver, we telegraphed this move to $29.30. I put it out here for everybody. And if you're paying attention with me and you're trying to emulate what I'm doing, you're doing very well right now. You're doing very, very well right now. Like, I can't even describe to you how well we're doing. And a lot of people say the XRP Future Millionaire, it goes in many different ways. A lot of this money, everything you see me invested in started with XRP. So the First Majestic, the B2 Gold, the XRP Bitcoin pairing, the XRP Healthcare, which we haven't even talked about. And it was up 13% yesterday. We'll talk about that in the live later again like we did yesterday. So it's the way that you can transfer your funds. So pay attention to what I put out here. Pay attention to the numbers. We'll go over this deeper in the live tonight. But I got to get going because we got to pick up my son in a little bit, about an hour. But this is very good news here this morning. Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you're paying attention on Facebook, I have over 4,200 subscribers now on Facebook. XRP Future Millionaire, just follow me. And I've been putting out cool little things now. Little articles, little snippets, but doing it in a comment base without videos. It's more picture based with my own writing. And then I also put out the videos from YouTube, but that's an ever-evolving community. We had over 4,000 views yesterday on Facebook alone. It was great. It was absolutely fantastic. So make sure to hit that like button if you want to copy trade and join this extraordinary adventure that we're talking about here. We're up 265% in our copy trades, 100 to 365 right now. We're trying to get to 1,000 in our $100 to $1,000 challenge, but we're conservative, so it's going to take time. And you can join there by clicking on these links on my homepage. And it's BITUNIX or HOTCOIN. HOTCOIN's the copy trade me and do the XRP Bitcoin pairing. Take advantage of it. BITUNIX, get involved there. They both have no VPN or KYC needed. Lowest spot and leverage trading fees you'll find. And if you want to send a donation, Cash App, Venmo, or PayPal, you can send a YouTube Super Chat, or I encourage you to join Tom's Army, especially on days like today. So take advantage of the market. Just take advantage of the market, pay attention, and stay transparent here, because I'm going to keep you evolved and keep you updated each and every day. Make sure to hit that like button. And remember, if you're part of Tom's Army, you get these updates half an hour early, which is very important. I don't have to wait for the copyright to get done with YouTube and to make sure my content is available on YouTube. It meets all the BS. You can circumvent that if you're part of Tom's Army. There's no ads during that first 30 minutes, and then they turn back on when it gets released by YouTube. So consider that.